What's up, Anayanation Ram fam? All right, this is my first how-to video, the cabin air filter mod on the 14 Ram. Now, for those of you that are unaware, Ram, for some reason, doesn't have a cabin air filter. I think on their newer models, like 16s and up, they might. I'm not too sure, so don't hold me to that one. But so what I did is I went on Amazon, purchased this, hold on. Filter here, and the door itself, about 30 bucks. I'll leave a link down below. But let's hop into the video. Let's get it. None of this talk. Let's just get to that. I also got this online on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead. I got the cutter. So I already took apart the string. There's something right here as far as the attachment goes. But we'll just go ahead. All you have to do is literally press in right here. You can see it right. Let's see if I can get the camera on it. Right there. All right. So this right here is the top portion we have to cut out. That's where the door is going to go. So you can see the outline. Just follow the ridges and cut out. Put the filter in. Put the door in. Pretty much straightforward. So probably about a 5-minute, not to give it a 5-10 minute process. Nothing too crazy, so anybody can do this here. All right, so then just we'll try out the box cutter, and yeah, go from there. I'll show you guys the complete install, or the one that's finished. All right, you guys, so I got my little light right here, my work lamp. So we're gonna be cutting out that top portion right there, and place the filter in. Let's get her done. All right, guys, let's get down to the nitty gritty. So it's in there now. You can see the cut. I used the Dremel, and I probably did it in I started with the cutter, and yeah, I wasn't getting anywhere. So put the airflow down. It shows you a nice little symbol. Everything worked out. So once I started hitting with the Dremel, it went right along the edges, which was nice. So it was working pretty much around the shape of the cover there. Knocked it out in about, let's say, about 60 seconds. To a minute and a half tops. Put the filter in, pop the cover on, and voila. I'm about to just clean it up, see some dust there, and change it out. We'll check out on it in like 2 months and see how she's doing. That's pretty much it, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this short, straight to the point video. All right, you guys.